Plug the injector back in and turn it back on. Ensure the piston is still fully reversed. Apply a few drops of light lubricating oil to both MS worm gears. Then program a flow rate of 1 milliliter per second, a volume of 1 milliliter, and a pressure of 300 psi. Then single arm the injector. The MS plate will travel up the worm gears, nearly touching the plunger plate and spreading the lubricant. Apply another few drops of lubricant to the MS worm gears, then press any key on the display. This will disarm the injector, causing the MS plate to travel back to its original position, spreading the lubricant again. When finished, drive the piston fully forward. Grease the main ball screw gear with any heavy grease. When finished, fully reverse the piston, then fully forward again to spread the grease. Apply a small amount of dielectric grease to the piston. Reinstall the winged oil seal. Apply another coat of dielectric grease to the piston, then fully retract the piston again. When finished, turn the injector off and unplug it.